All right. So it looks like it's streaming to a couple of places, but apparently it won't let me stream uh to X except on my personal account because um I've got the anyway. Um I'm just super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and present my screen here real quick. Share screen. Let's see. I haven't done this on StreamYard before, so um anyway, I am on this screen right here. All right, so I'm pretty excited. I just dropped. You can see the whole transcript here. It's pretty long. But I dropped an audio file on this and I sent it through Whisper, and it transcribed my podcast. Now, one thing I did before I did this was I actually let me see if I can grab the Finder window here real quick. So, well, you want to see that anyway. So I had this gigantic file right here. You can see it's a 31 gigabyte video file, and so I actually dropped it into a VLC player and extracted the audio. The audio turned out to be 65 megabytes. And so I came over here, and I'm not going to scroll all the way up because my OpenAI key is at the top of the file. So sorry about that, folks. But anyway, I'm just going to kind of walk you through what I did here. So one tip that I learned is with Ruby, with Bundler, you can do you can include Bundler inline, and then you can put your gem file stuff right here at the top, which is very slick. And then I check and make sure that it was given an argument, because if it doesn't give me a path to the file, then it doesn't know what to summarize. And so then what I did is I actually I didn't have the request timeout set, and I didn't have this FFmpeg nifty line in here. And so I ran it, and I was getting an error. Initially I got a 4, what was it? Anyway, I was getting a 413. No, the other error was because I hadn't added any credit to my OpenAI account. So I added $10, and then anyway, then I could send it through. And the problem I was getting is I started getting a 413 error, and I didn't know what that code meant. But the message said that my file was too big. So, 65 megabyte file, they want a 25 megabyte file is the upper limit. And so I was looking through their help docs, and they said that you could run this FFmpeg line to put it into an OGG file, which is another audio format. And that worked great. It encodes it really, really bare bones. It's not something that I would actually put out for you all to watch or listen to, but anyway, it did. It took the whole file. Now, I don't know if it shows it here. Information. Yeah, it does have the duration. It's 1 hour, 8 minutes, and 19 seconds. And so I thought I was going to have to chop it up, but it turned out I didn't have to do that. It encoded the whole hour and 19 minutes into a 6 and change megabyte file. So that was the trick here. Now, eventually I'm going to move this into Top End Devs, and I'm just going to have my team upload them, and yeah, it'll just run it through FFmpeg, pop out an OGG file, and then it can just pull it in here and transcribe it. So the other issue that I ran into after that was it timed out, right? Because the default's 2 minutes, I think, 120 seconds. So I just raised it to 5 minutes, and I said, run for 5 minutes. And it did that, and then I just had a put S statement here that just printed it out. So this, I just added this file.write. Okay, that's my linter telling me what to do. anyway, so I'm going to clean that up a little bit and have it drop it into a transcript text file. But the next step is actually to take it and throw it at chat GPT-4 or Claude or something like that. I'm trying to decide where I want to send it. I'll probably try it out on all of them and just see where it goes. But the plan is to send it in and have it in a context window where then I can tell the model, the large language model, hey, I need a summary for this. I need a title for this, or maybe have it generate 5 titles. I don't know. I can probably do all of that off of a single prompt, or maybe 2 prompts, one for the titles and one for the summaries. This is mostly how my team actually writes the show notes. Is they use a system called Castmatic. Anyway, and it gives them, it does the same thing. And so the problem is that we keep producing more and more content, and I need to keep upping my subscription with them. And it's just getting to the point where I'm going, you know what? What if I just pay the bill every month and just send it through GPT-4 or whatever myself? So anyway, it's been very, very cool. And anyway, I'm super excited about it. I am working on pulling together a summit and have some of the AI folks in JavaScript, Ruby, and maybe a few other languages come in and talk about how to build AI features into your apps. Now, this is not the, hey, I'm going to go train my own model and, build my own lightsaber. This is mostly hey, you've got all these AI systems out there that don't cost a terrible amount of money. When I went and looked at OpenAI, I had run it twice at that point, and it cost me like 80 cents to do 2 files, to do the transcriptions. So I'm kind of willing to spend $5-10 a month on podcast transcripts and, whatever else it costs to generate the rest of it. Now, like you saw, the transcript was not very pretty. And so I may have to do a little bit of wrangling to figure that out. But yeah, for the rest of it, I'm pretty happy. So anyway, I just wanted to get on and talk through it for a few minutes because I'm excited about what I can do with it and see where all that goes. So if you're interested in learning more, I am updating topenddevs.com to include a lot of the AI stuff. We're going to cover it in JavaScript Geniuses and Ruby Geniuses. And like I said, I'm putting the summit together. It's going to be free to attend live. And really, I just want to kind of help people take things to the next stage of things as they stand. So anyway, if there's something that you want to see if we can figure out how to do on AI, let me know. But anyway, I'm going to jump off and yeah, this is just me messing around. I'm pretty happy with it. So anyway, I'll check in with y'all later.